So we're studs. This is Ricky under house, and I just want to show what's going on here. So this is the toilet, comes down, runs under this line. This is the main building drain right here, and this is the bathroom group. Over here we've got the lavatory and the shower. Lav is up there. Okay, it's nice and strapped. This is the shower line. Sorry, tub line. That's a tub drain right there. All right. We've got the main line here that runs down that way. Continuing on, we've got the main line that runs down the house. And of course, you'll notice all of the water lines are insulated and strapped and nice and neat. Very important. Okay, so continuing on. So this is the main building drain that I'm on top of here. And then we've got a combo here. This combo picks up the laundry and the kitchen. Trying to see if I can get the camera to focus. So all the way over there, we've got the kitchen and the laundry. It's hard to see. I'll get a video of that later. And then over here, we've got the main master bathroom. We've got it supported by dirt, but we also added strapping on the main line every 4 feet, just to be safe. That's the master bathroom over there. I'll stop the video and pick up when I get close to the master bath. And I'm over by the master bath. So here's what we got going on. Toilet is straight up. We've got a 3x2 sanitary tee. Right here is the lavatory with a vent that goes to the roof. And then over here is the shower. And of course, we've got all of our piping is insulated and strapped. You can tell they're running water down the drain lines so that we can make sure there's no leaks. All right, so now I'm crawling over to the laundry and kitchen. And here's what we got. So we ran 3 inch to the end of the line. We've got a 2-inch line for the kitchen. Kitchen is Studer vented in the cabinet. And then this is the laundry line. Laundry comes outside and runs on the exterior. I'll show you that in a second. You can notice the water piping right ahead of me. All right, and this is the laundry. Got a sanitary tee, 90. Right on the other side is the trap. And then it is vented above the roof line. And there is chicken wire over the top to protect it from debris falling in there.